Hello, welcome to Licious Spicy Kitchen, where I share easy and delicious Chinese home cooking recipes. Today I'm going to talk about one of the essential cooking ingredients in Sichuanese cuisine, broad bean paste. In Chinese, we call it Doubanjiang. This paste is so widely used that almost every household in Sichuan would always keep a bottle in their kitchen. In this video, I will talk about how the paste is made, how to cook with it, what it tastes like, so do stay with me if you'd like to find out more about the soul of Sichuanese cuisine. The most well-known broad bean paste is made in a small town in Sichuan called Pixian. Xian means county. So in the county of Pi, because of its unique natural environment, its high humidity and exposure to sunshine made it the perfect place to produce the broad bean paste. Pixian broad bean paste is a geographically protected product, so only the paste made in Pixian that passed required quality standard can be labeled as Pixian Doubanjiang. The broad beans are first peeled, broiled, and fermented for 3 to 6 days to get the type of mold that we call Qu in Chinese. This is a type of fungus that is important to produce fermented products, such as soy sauce, tofu, and some liquors. Then a special variety of local chili peppers, what we call 二荆条, are carefully selected and freshly chopped into big chunks. These chilies are not too spicy and they have a deep red color and great fragrance. They are then added into the fermented broad beans. With the right portion of water, salt and flour, the chilies and broad beans are fermented together for at least 3 months. Some producers in Pixian still make the douban paste in the traditional way, fermenting it in big earthen jars under direct sunlight. It often has a long fermentation period, sometimes more than 3 years. The matured broad bean paste is reddish brown in color and slightly oily, even though no oil is added into it. The whole broad bean pieces and big chunks of chilies remain in the paste, so the raw sauce has a coarse texture. So how to cook the broad bean paste and what does it taste like? The paste needs to be stir-fried with cooking oil to impart its flavor and fragrance. Always cook the paste on a medium-low heat so it won't get burnt. The paste will gradually infuse the oil with its flavor and color and all the ingredients it touches. The paste has a deep and complex umami flavor. It is savory, spicy, salty, with a subtle sweetness that cannot be achieved by simply combining similar seasoning. Unfortunately, it is extremely difficult to substitute douban paste with something similar. And it's also worth bearing in mind that it has a high level of salt, usually more than 15%, so when cooking with it, we normally don't need to add extra salt in it. Douban paste is used in many Sichuanese dishes, such as mapo doufu, and you can check out my linked video for its recipe. The paste is very easy to store and can last a very long time in a sealed container kept in the fridge. So do get a bottle if you wanted to get some authentic Sichuan flavors in your home-cooked dishes. Feel free to leave me comments if you have any questions regarding using this paste. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would be very helpful to me. Thank you for watching and see you next time in Licious Spicy Kitchen. Bye for now!